Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Wave Accounting for Small Business Tax Tracking easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in waveapps.com and hit enter. Once the home page loads, look for the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and create a secure password. After entering your details, click on the Get Started Free button. You may need to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Wave. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Wave site. Now you can fill in your business information. Provide your business name, industry, and location as prompted. Next, Wave will ask about your business structure. Select the appropriate option that describes your business. After filling in these details, click on Continue. You will be taken to your Wave dashboard. Look for the Accounting section on the left sidebar. Click on Accounting to explore features available for small businesses. To set up tax tracking, find Settings in the lower left corner. Click on Settings and then navigate to Sales Tax. Here, you can add the tax rates applicable to your business. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary tax information. Once you've set this up, return to the dashboard to track your expenses. Look for the Transactions tab in the Accounting section. Click on Transactions to add or categorize your business expenses. To access more advanced features, scroll to the bottom of the sidebar. Find the Wave Apps section to explore additional services. If you decide to upgrade, click on Pricing in the top menu. Review the available subscription plans and select one that fits your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.